Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Zoho customer support. Zoho is a cloud-based software platform by the Zoho Corporation that helps businesses manage everything from the invoices and expenses to CRM, emails and project, basically all your business tools in one place, and it's super convenient, but sometimes you might run into issues like login problems, syncing errors, or just needing some guidance on a feature. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar, type down zoho.com and enter it. And over here, once you get into this interface, what you can do is on the right hand side we can find this all of the featured apps. Select one of the apps over here. You can access to this Zoho over here on the bottom. And over here scroll all the way to the bottom until you find to this contact us over here. So simply select to this contact us. And under this contact us you can find this frequently asked questions as well. You can also look at any of the demo if you have trouble in, if you need help with your adding license, changing plan, you can simply select one of the frequently asked questions as well. On the right hand side we can find this number. This is the US number. You can simply go to this number and reach out to the Zoho official team as well. And you can also send an email over here, and over here you can find tons of other of the countries number in order to reach out. If you belong to this country, you can simply reach out in the number over here, and that is it. This is how you can contact Zoho support. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.